Hello, Avon Beauty Lovers. I am so excited about this campaign. This is all about Avon's vitamin C line. I love the vitamin C line. I love the smell of fresh oranges, and that is what you're going to get in this product line. The very light fragrance of oranges. Oh my gosh. These products remind me of summer. I can't wait to share them with you. I have several here that I'm going to demo so that you can kind of get a feel as to what the consistency is and what they are. These are very good for your skin. Vitamin C is a great product to add to your skincare regimen. They have a brand new peel pad product in the vitamin C family that you can get. I don't have one to show you. I apologize. But there's 70 pads in here, and the amazing part of this is it exfoliates and visibly brightens with pineapple and fresh squeezed pineapple. So you're going to get a light fragrance of pineapple and oranges. The whole thing just reminds me of summer. I absolutely love them. So let me just get started with some of these products that I have. The peel pads are actually something brand new that Avon has introduced to the Avon family. And if you are local, before I go on any further, if you are local and you don't get a brochure this time, it's because they're out. They're totally out. I apologize. So I might be delivering you some of the ones from last campaign, but just so that you can go in and you can take a look, and then when you log onto my website, it will pop up with the current campaign. Because I know some of you like the traditional book itself. So anyway, let's just jump right in here and get started with this. I'm just going to go in no particular order, the different vitamin C product line from Avon. This one is the new vitamin C illuminating body serum. Ooh, this is so good. I'm going to just, now you don't need a whole lot. This is for your whole entire body. Great for after a shower. This is quite a lot for my hand, but anyway, it illuminates. It gives you that little glow and smells heavenly. I love this. So, maybe if you're going out for the evening, you might want to put a little bit of this on your shoulders. It gives you a little bit of a gold illumination. Can you see that right there? Oh my gosh. My hand is just drinking this up because my hands were really dry. I've washed my hands and I didn't put any lotion on them, but oh, this smells amazing. So this is for the body. This is the illuminating body serum. It feels and smells amazing. And then let me just move this over here. Things are going to be falling off if I don't. The next one, and like I said, we're not going in any particular order, but the next one, this here is dry body oil. And I always thought, how can a body oil be dry? But watch this. I'm going to demo this one. This is the dry body oil. And again, this smells incredibly amazing. If I can get the lid off. Okay. Because I carry this around and I didn't want it to spill. So, oh, you can just lightly smell the oranges in this. And I don't want to put on a whole lot. There, can you see it running down right here? Yes. Oh, this feels super good. So I would also add that if you have like an itchy spot, dry skin spot, immediately go get your dry body oil and apply that. And it's going to take care of that right away. And it's going to just really hydrate your skin and allow it to retain that moisture. And this is the dry body oil. And then, let's see, where do I want to go next? Let's do this one. This one is the vitamin C body butter. Oh. You can layer these, by the way, so don't worry about that. You can layer these. So you could do your body butter and then, or your serum, and then do your body butter. You want to remember to go thinnest to thickest in any of this. So this would be next. Then you would do this. But the body butter is so luxurious and so rich. And this is the best thing to be using in the wintertime when the furnace is running and the cold air really dries out our skin. This is amazing. And let me just give you a little bit of an example of the body butter. And of course you would, I'm just going to put it on my arm here because I've already got this all. This is so incredible. And again, It smells like summer. It smells like fresh oranges, just a very light fragrance of fresh oranges. And this is the body butter. It's nice and thick and rich. Don't you love the sound of that? Body butter. Wow. Okay. The next one, let me move these out of the way. This is a really good, I love this one. Now, if you want to exfoliate, do a really good job on exfoliating your skin and getting all the dead skin cells off. And then after that, you would apply the body butter, or you would apply the serum and then the body butter. But this one is the, let me get the names right, Glow Body Scrub. And again, I put these on, I don't want to spill them, so I put them in a bag here. And just take a look at that. Look at that. And you're going to feel the little granules in there. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. And I'm just going to put a little bit on, and I do have a washcloth here so that I can wash it off, or you can rinse it off in the shower. But this has little granules, and you're going to feel those little granules in there, and they're in there getting into all those little places of your skin, removing those dead skin cells. And you're going to feel, it's going to feel a little bit granulated, but then it's going to be removing. I'm going to show you the difference in my hands here. This one I have done nothing to, and this one I put the scrub on. You're going to see the difference. It's going to just really polish, actually, I guess, is that the word I want to use? Polish my skin. And let's see if you're going to see a difference here. And let me wipe this off. Now, I just want you to take a look. This is the one that's been done. Look at the difference. And this one is, you can see the cracks, you can see the dryness. Look at this one. I can feel a difference. It's amazing. And that is with the scrub, and it's going to make your skin glow. And then what I would do after that, I would use, after you've done your scrub, do the body serum, and then apply the body butter. Yeah, that's what you want to do. And then let's see, the next one, what do I have? The warming facial peel. Now this is a surprise. This is a shocker. When I first tried this, I didn't know what to expect. I figured, okay, warming face, well, there's nothing happening. So I put it on all over my face. And then the minute you add water, it heats up. It heats up on your face. I'm like, what the heck is happening? So what it is doing, and it's not a peel, actually. It's not going to dry on your skin. I don't know why they call it a peel, but it doesn't dry on your skin. You just put it all on like a mask, and you just kind of massage it in with some water, and it gets really warm, and it opens up all of those pores so that the little granulated things can get in there and clean out those pores and get your skin just really polished. And then you rinse it off. And it is such a warming, amazing feeling, especially in the wintertime. It just heats up on your face. It doesn't irritate or anything. It was a huge surprise. I did not expect that. So when they say warming, they mean warming. It doesn't get hot, but it gets really warm on your skin. And so it's going to open up all those pores so that you can get your skin and your pores all cleaned out and fresh. Okay, and then the next one, let's see, what do I have here? This is the overnight. I don't have a box open, but I'm going to just show you what this is. Because I'm out, that's why. So let me just show you. This one here is the overnight radiant mask, and you just leave this on overnight. You don't have to wash it off. Let me see. The overnight mask formulated with powerful antioxidant vitamin C and E. You're going to smooth over your face and neck and your jawline until absorbed. Okay, yes, I had to look at the line. You're going to leave it on overnight. You're going to do your face, your neck, and your jawline. I would even do the décolleté. Do all of it. And you're just going to leave it on overnight, and it's an overnight mask. And then in the morning when you wash your face or take your shower, you know, but it's not going to be thick, and you're not going to notice it looking like a mask. Let me just show you. Here's what it looks like, okay? It almost looks like the body butter, but this is the mask. It's creamy, and you're just going to apply it on your skin, and you're going to work it in until it gets absorbed into your skin, just like this, okay? And that feels really good too, by the way. So I'm just going to kind of leave that sit and leave it on. And that's the mask, the overnight mask. Okay. And so we did the warming peel. We did, oh, and the next one. This one is the Illuminating Priming Moisturizer. Now, this one you will, let me just hang on here. You're going to, you can wear this alone or underneath your makeup. You're just going to leave it on. It's a priming moisturizer for your foundation. And let me just take a look here. Now, it will oxidize. So this one I've been using and it looks brown, but it's not. Let me just show you quick on my hand. Maybe I will take the mask off here. And I will put a little bit here. So when it does hit the, let me shake it up. The air, the you know, it will oxidize. So it might turn a little color here. But let me just shake it up a bit. Yes, and you can shake these up and keep them. So we're just going to put a little bit right here. There we go. And this is the Illuminating Priming Moisturizer. And you wear this underneath your foundation. And it's going to help your foundation last. And it's not greasy or oily. It just absorbs really nicely right into your skin. And that's the priming Illuminating Priming Moisturizer. Illuminating means it's going to give you a little bit of a glow, a warm look, and it's going to brighten your skin. It's going to brighten the dark spots on your skin. That's what you want. You don't want to have the discolorations. It's going to even out your skin tone. Let's see. And the next one, we did that one. And the last one I want to show you, I love this one. This one is, now I will wear this. Let me get some of this off here. My hand is going to be in such good shape. This is the Vitamin C Lip Treatment. I wear this at night before I go to bed. Chapped lips in the wintertime, this is really good. It has a slight smell of oranges, smells fresh, smells really good. But this will take care of any of your dry, cracked lips. So it is, I was going to find exactly what the name of it is for you because it's not a normal lip balm. It's the Vitamin C Antioxidant Lip Treatment. And that's what this one is right here. It's the lip treatment. And let me just show you, there's no orange cast at all. Let me just put it on my hand here. And you can just see that it's very moisturized. Okay? And you can put it on underneath your lipstick. You could put it over it, but I would suggest to put it underneath it and then apply your lipstick on over the top of that. I believe that's it. That's what I have for the Vitamin C line. And if you are interested, leave me a comment. If you have more questions, leave me a comment. So make sure if you're watching my YouTube channel that you like, follow, you can share, and give me a thumbs up. And also click on the notification button and subscribe so that you will get notifications on my next upcoming videos. And that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. And if you don't have an Avon representative, then let me know that in the comments, and I will be happy to help you out with that. And we'll see you next time, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.